Hi everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today we're kind of going to be flip-flopping between the 48 here and the 60 hearse. We're going to move forward a little bit on the rear brakes, hopefully. And on the 48 we're going to be servicing the transmission today and changing the oil. We'll see how far we get. There's always problems that you run into with working on classic cars. So as I said, that's the goal. We'll see if it happens. Anyway, thank you guys for joining the channel. Let's get started. Just bypassing some heater core hoses for right now until we get that situation dealt with. We don't want any more leakage in the floor. It already happened a little bit, but we don't want any more. Like I said, just trying to get the car able to run for longer than a few minutes. It runs great, but I'll tag the video in the end of this video so you guys can check that out if you missed it of the first time we fired it up. Like I said, runs great, but we just want to be able to move the car around the property using the e-brake, of course, because our brakes are not functioning right now. So we want to test out the tranny, things like that, like I said in the beginning of this video, to see if that needs to be rebuilt. So we've got goodies from the auto parts store. Of course, you run this for old cars, the Dex Merc. And then for our oil, we're going to be running the VR1 Racing because it has zinc in it and it's going to be straight 30 weight. Like I said, for the old cars, you have to use the VR1.
So, yeah, how they do when you cut them up right. They're not the normal, but in a pinch.
A crescent wrench is just a handyman's everyday tool.
Poor man's tool.
Or that too.
Think about it. You learn all that pressure. What's the first thing that's going to fail? Probably the oil filter.
True.
Comes out and lower the jack down. Let her drain. Should all come out. Keyword should.
Yeah. It will.
Eventually.
Okay.
We are now locating our drain plug for the tranny. It's in the very back of the pan right there. We have our new gasket that we got the other day.
What size is it?
That's gold as gold.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It's probably still the Cadillac fluid.
It's not red?
Cadillac makes their own.
It's not red?
I don't know.
I was gonna say, yeah, why wouldn't it be red?
It's gold now.
Wow.
Just like I said, Cadillac makes their own tranny fluid.
Probably should just left that in. That looks beautiful.
I know.
Yeah, it's crystal clear.
Our luck, you probably just had it serviced.
Yeah, they had it
What?
serviced before they parked it.
It is 80 years old or whatever, 60 years.
Yeah, but that's like...
That's
like
beautiful,
crystal
though.
gold.
Yep.
I mean, it's ruined now, but...
Well, you know what? That's probably why the transmission still works.
I know, right?
Yeah, we'll put Dexter on it and that'll probably ruin it.
Uh-huh.
Full mid-size.
Keep going.
I don't think we need to go any higher than that.
Are you having fun?
Actually, I am.
Go away.
Tranny fluid and that sort of thing.
Go away. Well, all right, there we go. Good deal.
There's our filter.
Yeah, and it's a washable filter. It is not a changeable one.
It's a screen.
Yes.
So we'll clean that and get her back.
So we had to lift up the carpet on the firewall because your transmission dipstick is actually up under here, which is really weird. It's right there in the floor. Kind of interesting design. So anyway, that hole right there that you see was covered by this cap right here. Pretty cool. Thank you for cleaning it, by the way, so you could actually read it. But yeah, that's your little cap that fits over it. But like I said, interesting that you have to lift up the carpet to check the tranny fluid. So what goes on now?
Found the drain plug.
Where was that?
Probably at the top, like Ben said.
Go.
I'm just admiring how clean the fluid is.
Yeah.
And never
Oh,
should
boy.
have touched that. That is like immaculately perfect fluid. Look at that gold.
Well, I think we made a boo-boo.
Probably.
Should have left it. That's probably why the tranny still goes into gear perfectly.
Yeah, well.
You having fun playing in it?
I am actually, because I can do all kinds of cool patterns. Because look at the viscosity in
The
it.
flow.
The flow, but the viscosity. I mean,
It's like honey.
yeah. Look at the spiral I've got there.
Such an artiste.
Uh-huh.
Having too much fun. Plug. So if people are wondering, that's how you drain the bell housing on a Cadillac. It's got a pipe plug in the bottom of the... They don't call it a torque converter, even though that's what I say it is.
See, my biggest question is though, why is this gold?
I don't know, it's Cadillac fluid. Cadillac made their own hydraulic transmission fluid.
Yeah, but is Dexmark gonna be?
Is Dexmark going to be bad for it? That's the
I
problem.
don't know. What can you do? You can't get it anymore.
Call the Cadillac dealer.
Yeah. A what? You have a what?
Yeah.
What year?
So as mentioned previously in the video, this is a washable transmission filter. You cannot even find one. You just clean the one that you have. So they recommend soaking it in gasoline, which is what we did. It's very clean on the inside. You guys can kind of see down in there a little bit, but it's practically spotless. Still looks brand new. As you can see in the video, our fluid too, I kind of regret actually making the choice to change the fluid because it still had the original gold Cadillac transmission fluid that they specifically made for their cars. I guess I thought that the tranny had probably been serviced many times, and maybe it had been, but again, you know, it had the original fluid in it still, and I kind of wish we would have left that, but you can never know that. You know, I just wanted to have everything serviced fresh before we started to drive this car, so kind of just maybe a different choice that I would have made, but it is what it is at this point. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this filter. So in case anybody out there is trying to find one for their 48 or 49 Cadillac, not gonna happen. Washable, reusable. Well, sure looks nice. So we got everything all clean. Here's our transmission pan and our bell housing cover. I have a brand new gasket for this. So he just sanded the edge of it, obviously to make sure that all the old gasket's off, and we cleaned it with our typical gasoline. It's the best cleaner around. So now just for reassembly.
Go ahead, dear. Yeah, it's filling up. The filter's filling
We have a fan belt casualty. That's what's making the noise. Yeah, yeah, it'll just shred itself. Wow. Hit the other ones.
She still charges.
You said she still charges, eh?
Got all four in it?
Yep. Still charging?
Yep.
Good.
So the old generator still works.
Give her a couple revs.
smooth. Wow.
All right, so this is the first time we're gonna be actually moving the 48 forward. That's just some water leakage out of the overflow that you see underneath. Still have to service the radiator. We have to get new radiator hoses, put antifreeze in it, all that good stuff. But we just wanna see if it goes into gear, which it does. And she moves. And that's the e-brake. Bye! It works! It stops her.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, let's get everything out of the way. So we are driving the car under the power of the e-brake right now. That's why you hear all the skidding. My dad's just testing it to make sure that it's actually going to stop the car. Again, this is the first time it's moved under its own power in many years. So just going to take it out in the back where we have some space. And we're just going to try a few things. Like you said, he just keeps checking the brake to make sure everything's kosher. We just did some disking back here, so it's very dusty. Do it again! Come on, I missed it! Do it again! That was good! All right, guys, so that's the close of our video today. We're just cleaning the concrete pad where it's gonna go back. And as you can see, she runs, drives, and moves under her own power. So now we're gonna start ordering all the brake parts from Caddy Daddy. I don't know if we're gonna do a disc brake conversion on this one yet, or if we're gonna drive it for a while with the stock brakes done. We'll see. But very exciting today, a lot of progress. Glad that she runs, moves, and stops with the e-brake, but still runs and moves, so everything's been serviced. Hopefully, we wanted to get to something on the hearse today, but it's already 6:30 in the evening on Sunday, so we're gonna call it and spend the rest of the night together. So thank you guys for watching and always tuning into the channel. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Take care.